Hello, in this video, I will share you about the speaking patterns. One of the most speaking pattern, there is will in English, will. In Mon, no. It means I will eat, I will drink, or I will go, I will come. Like that. When we want to say I will. In Mon, no. You can see the pronunciations in English letter. Na, o, nga, no, na, o, nga, no. So, firstly, we study the 4 meanings. Like, to eat is she. To drink is soy. To go is to come is gløy. She, soy, gløy. Okay, now you know the meaning of eat. In Mon, she. Drink in Mon, soy. Go in Mon, come in Mon, gløy. You can practice she, soy, gløy. Again, she, soy, gløy. To eat, to drink, to go and to come. She, soy, gløy. Let's go to another slide. Here, step 1. We know that eat in Mon, she. So, how about will eat? In Mon, she, no. To eat is she. Will eat is she, no. Here you have to notice that the no have to put in the last of the sentence. She, no. That means will eat. How about to drink? Will drink. Say no. So, will go, no. Will come, gløy, no. Like that. She, no, say no. No, gløy, no. Like that. Step 2. I will eat. I in Mon, so I will eat. She, no. She, no. So, when you want to say I will drink, that will be say no. I will go, no. I will come, gløy, no. Like that. Step 3. I will eat. Now, I will eat orange. So, the guy who eat, will eat is that verb, and orange is that is eaten. Yeah, okay. So I is subject in grammar. will eat is verb and orange is object. So in moon, the sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object. SVO, subject verb object. Subject I and verb will eat and object orange. Similar to that sentence structure in moon also. The subject and then the verb shear and then the object limao. Shear limao. So I will eat orange shear limao no. Shear limao no. How about step 4? There is time today time today I will eat orange. So today is time and I will eat orange is one part of the sentence also. So in moon when you to be easy when you see the time in a sentence you can put it just in front and the rest you can say as similar to before. So like today I will eat orange. Here that word today is ngua now. Okay, today ngua now. You can put that today ngua now just in front of the sentence and you can continue the rest. I will eat orange shear limao no. I will eat orange shear limao no. So today I will eat orange ngua now. Today I will eat orange shear limao no. Again ngua now shear limao no. Yes, correct. You can practice. Okay, step 5. Today I will eat an orange. When orange. An orange is the number 1 is in moon more. M may More means when, number 1. Mua may. May is just the word that express express that the counting one like orange, like apple, like a fruit, or like a football, like a ball, or like a car can use may. When a car, an orange, or an apple, or a ball, or a house, we can use may to show to express to classify this is house, this is a car, this is the fruit. So we can use may after the number. So mua may means and limau momai means an orange like that. So today ngua now I will eat ua shia an orange limau momai I will no like that. Today I will eat an orange ngua now ua shia limau momai no ngua now the time ua shia limau momai no the sentence. Okay, here the name of the fruits in Mon, so you can substitute instead of using limau you can use panao for lime, sour lao for pomelo, mangui for mangosteen, langka for guava, strawberry for strawberry, rambutan habon for rambutan, anat for pineapple, soto for santor, socha for walnut, manglon for tamarind. Yeah. Okay, for example, you can use guava langka instead of the orange. Shia no ua shia no. Here you can use guava ua shia langka no. Langka is the guava, so ua shia langka no. And in the step 4, today ua shia I will eat orange, I will eat guava. So in Mon ngua now ua shia langka no. In the step 5, today I will eat an orange and a guava. Ngua now ua shia langka mua mai no. Ngua now ua shia langka mua mai no. Okay, you can use sour lao, you can use mango, you can use habon, you can use anat, soto, socha, manglon. What you like.